Peace, everybody. I'm Larry, your average, everyday hippie, yo. Peace out, dog. I'm going to tell you in 3 steps how to make your rights and be a hippie without going to jail. Step 1. Don't assassinate everybody. It's not good for the earth, yo. Second of all, don't smoke pot or any drug in front of a cop or anybody who might have a will to arrest you. So excuse me, I gotta go do something right now. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, step 3 is, if you get wasted, make sure someone's watching, so you're not laying on the floor in some place, and then someone comes up, they rob you, and then you're left broke. More broke than a hippie. All you probably have is clothes on your back. If you're lucky, they won't take those. So that's the 3-step process to be a safe hippie, not get arrested, and just, be one with the earth. Second of all, also don't drive those creepy hippie vans. They're bad for the earth, yo. And that's me, Larry. And that's my 3 steps for hippieism. Peace, yo.